wa Champions Real Estate na maundu maku ni sorted. Aria nake kwitukira namba yake ya thimu ni 425-5931-0713. Ona ucere wabici-inĩ ciao ta ũũ kana ũhũre namba ya wabici. Addresses ni Federal Way, Champions Real Estate, Mekuria 32700 Pacific Highway South, Suite 2, Federal Way, Washington 98003. Na kumena wa Everett County, Murray 1723 100th Place Southeast, Suite A, Everett, Washington 98208. Na kumena wa Edmonds, Murray 525 5th Avenue South, Suite 101, Edmonds, Washington 98020. Ni undu uhoro makiria no mandikire email kuhetukira wamwere.homes@gmail.com kana ochere rurenda-ini rwao ni ruo www.nwchampions.com. Champions Real Estate, home of endless possibilities.
Wow, Grace.
Yes.
Ne.
Bibi.
Niko somania nawe.
Here.
Adotero meko gema nyumba muthi.
Hallelujah.
Nithikiriria na muroreri wa Pacific Coast Television. Ndakugeithia o ringi ni njitagwo Kiari wa Prestige na ino ni tabarira ira tukurehagira ya wonjoria. Na muthenya wa muthi ni ndacera guku mwena wa Seattle, Washington. Na ndacemania na CEO wa uhoro wa manyumba witagwo Grace Wamwere na kambuni yake itagwo Champions Real Estate. Na ndenda umuthi atuhekerera na tuthomithie tondu anjiraga atiriri hingo ciothe twaria ati gukombora nyumba ati that's usguo ni kuoya mbeca wastwara trash-ini. Mwana witu ndenda rore kamera ino.
Yes.
Ugeithie muthikiriria na mwirore eroragera na agathikiriria na tukumenya wewe uyu na wina rutharo wa gwitamburukia
niguo nitamugeithia inyuothe mwiroreri wa Pacific Waves na muthikiriria wothe he maritwa njitagwo Grace Wamwere. Na as Mr. Kerry said, nini mwene kambuni itagwo Champion Real Estate, and I've been doing real estate for a very long time, more than 10 years, because I felt the need of our own people. Aito amushi kwigwatira tiri wa America. Atado mwathani ni aturi haria hothe twakinyia kinyama itu ni ari turathimagira hori. So there was that need ya kuteithia andu aitu, na on a biggest problem yari kwenye undu wa andu kwaga kumenyaga how do we go about. And it's very funny ore idea yakwa yokiria kwendegia nyumba toni ndandikirwo ni kambuni ya Walmart ndoka America uguo nani ndo akigia kona niwe ithituma Kenya tuka twirende kuruta mawira ni ndarutire na kio muno ngiambire kuhe promotion ndambire night shift ngihe promotion ya night shift manager ngima manager makihe outside the building, I oversee few departments. That I oversee department makijira no, I'm too smart, I'm too aggressive. They need to take me somewhere else. Makijira mako dwara kudo kodede via weather siya maga ka Walmart. Ugo ni mabire kudo maga all over state of United States. Na hau niho maje ni maguthomithia kirathi kia real estate. Nigo ndathi dona mugunda geka process na magoka makambiriria. No uhoro so ndwagithire for wrong. Tado ora kweni gitonekana marangi maituri ndathi ndamenyeka ni ndaheo gite kinene gukira andu aingi matuye kuri andu mokire ku athungu makiuga ihe ithu ni twagio ni gukorwo guku na ni undu wa ciaca ri ngiuga atiriri wira uyu na kabithiite nyambiire ku promote andu agwitu tondu ndamenya urio hiana. And at that point ngiuma kiganda-ini kia Walmart ngeigira ku self employment, and that was mwaka wa 2006. Na when the way process ya kugura nyumba ri, there are few things that we look at. Now the most important part ni credit. Na credit yo ni jaragiria andu muno tondu as we all know witu mucie tutire credit na tutire twamenya uhoro wa scores.
Riri ndegwa wa gweta uhoro wa credit.
Yes.
Na wauga witu tutikorwo na credit.
Yes.
Yukana hani ho mundu agirirwo kwambia.
Njira mundu wothe credit, it's better than money. Tondu in America when you take care of your credit you can own everything.
Including what? Including
anything you ever wanted, as long as your credit is good. Tondu mu America ri ndakumenyaga we wetangania akumenya we wite credit
kugwa tia credit yakwa credit score kamura discipline yakwa ya beca
exactly na riu ona wathondeka party yo gutike ndutangiona na ni njiraga andu aingi atiriri torithi tutiathomithio ni mami itu kana baba itu Kenya ri this is the time riu magio ni guka kuri ithui tumonie na gukorwo ni wathokire credit ri tikuga that's the end of it we work on that tukathika journey nginya mundu agakinya handu ha kuona on purpose muthikiriria urathikiriria na twandikira ndumiriri haha ndumiriri ni ciukite nyingi na ndemwe ya muthikiriria umwe urauga atiriri ni credit yakwa yathire igithuka na ngihana ta ndakua ngoro na ngiakoria atiriri ndenda ucokanire ciuria icio ciere tondu message icio ndacithoma hamwe ni credit yakwa ri ni excellent ta handle those two people na mena interest na nyumba mundu na credit excellent thank you for doing a good job that's good when no can you but okwendia within 30 days oko ina nyumba no uthokite credit rate still there is hope when okare come we analyze your credit nituguteithia guthondeka because that's not the end of it 30 days icio ri ungiota kumwenderia nyumba ate because tondu andu ngiri ona matiui where to start all what I need no ukorwo na wira na credit iyo njega and then ukorwo wina tubesa tunini muno ta ngiri imwe kana ngiri igiri uigite bengi woka no muciri tatu gukuonia na muthenya uria uguthura ucio niguo muci uria wenda ri that's why it take 30 days to no nginya to verify some few things and then go negere macabi ungiaroria atiriri ni ndabatara gukorwo na proof of income and that's a wide area so the best thing nyoke anyone niguo tuge onoko do na prove your income ri what other things can you do because we also do bank statement approval ugikona bank statement ya 12 months ri na nirona nino ikagia besha ri that's enough mundu uthukite credit ri sometimes we think nituthukite credit kana sometimes we think that's the end of it no ngukwira atiri muthikiriria wakwa na uri uratuona tha ici ndukamakeni ucio wona woka credit yaku tukumiana na ABCD na ngwire woka na A na B na C na within a period of 30 to 60 days score ciaku no cikoshi thiete iguru na ciathi iguru that will be automatic for us to be able to give you a house ngimwiroreri wakwa na mundu wothe urathikiriria ungienda kunyita namba yakwa ya thimu ni 425 931 0713 again 425 931 0731 na tuna maofici Federal Way Hare Pacific opposite post office na tuna office ge Edmonds that's our main office na tuna office ge Everett so anytime any day shoot me a text or jena wenda tuonane I can also come to where we are nigo twarie the next step otherwise reke tuonire bururi wa America thank you
Muikari wa bururi wa Amerika we mwega hihi ni wihariirie kwigira na nyumba guku bururi-ini wa Amerika riu ucio ni undu muhuthu ota kumeria tumai kambuni ya Champions Real Estate ni kambuni ega tu Amerika ya guteithagiriria gwetha nyumba njega ungigura ukamiona na magaguteithiriria hari mitaratara yothe uguri murugamiri munene wa kambuni ya Champions Real Estate Grace wa Mwere ni wa guteithiriria kugura nyumba Amerika kwa ihinda ria thiku 30 tu utuike an American house owner kana ni commercial private kana handu ha guikara thutha wa retirement aria na Grace wa Mwere wa Champions Real Estate na mondo maku ni sorted aria nake kwitukira namba yake ya thimu ni 42559310713 ona no chere wabici-inĩ ciao ta ũũ kana ũhũre namba ya wabici addresses ni Federal Way Champions Real Estate mekuria 32700 Pacific Highway South Suite 2 Federal Way Washington 98003 na kumena wa Everett County mari 1723 100th Place Southeast Suite A Everett Washington 98208 na kumena wa Edmonds mari 525 5th Avenue South Suite 101 Edmonds Washington 98020 ni undu uhoro makiria no mandikire email kuhitukira wamwere.homes@gmail.com kana ochere rurenda-ini rwao ni ruo www.nwchampions.com Champions Real Estate, home of endless possibilities. You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.
Pacific Waves Radio.
Pacific Waves TV. Wako ne Pacific Waves TV.